All right, welcome to another episode of Spice Isle Cafe. All right, we're repping in Antigua.
Yeah, and I got my new apron. Hey, I got my new apron.
All right. I mean, I feel as if it's excluding us boys, but all right.
No, I have to get an apron because the chef.
We need to start talking about what we're getting cooked.
Me one apron as his employee.
Head chef. Anyhow, let's go. What are we working on today?
Okay, so in college I was really famous for this. It's called sweet potato pudding. And as much as we're in Antigua, I'm going to do it the Grenadian style, okay?
I will allow that.
We have some sweet potatoes. I already cleaned some. And we have something we call Tanya that we're going to use to bind it together. And all the good fixings. You have coconut milk. There is cinnamon, clove. Of course, the good old nutmeg.
I can't read those labels so fast, you know.
Oh my goodness. I'm going to repeat it again. And we have some mixed essence. And of course, you need some good old black pepper. And then some brown sugar. This is one time you need to use brown sugar because we love when the edges start caramelizing and you get that stickiness. Ooh, goodness. Yes. So I'm going to get ready to grate, guys.
All right, Chef Carol, what is it you're grating here?
So this is a sweet potato. When you peel it, this is what it looks like. And
Okay.
I am going to be grating that.
Did you put any ginger in there?
A little, of course.
Oh,
You
tell
need a
the
little
people
kick.
that. Tell
You
the
need-
people you put in
You
ginger.
need a little. So if you don't have the green ginger, you can use ginger powder. And
What did
that's
you
about it.
use?
I use both.
So why you
because-
didn't say that at first? Is that some secret recipe thing?
No, it's not. Or else I wouldn't be telling the people.
Can you talk and grate? I talked to you already.
Don't you think, guys, that he should be doing some work?
Come.
Apart from running his mouth.
No, I can't get my hands dirty. I have to do the camera thing. So how much pieces of potato you plan to grate?
Well, it's not pieces. You go by pounds because
I'm
they may
testing
look-
you. I know that.
Right now, we're using 2 pounds of potatoes. I mean, 1 or 2 potatoes can give you a pound. So we're using 2 pounds of sweet potatoes. And I'm just going to probably use 1 or 1.5 of the Tanya as the binding ingredient.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, Chef Carol, come hold the camera. You grating too slow. You don't really look like you know what you're doing. Come.
Okay, I'm
That's it.
actually going to have a little...
Wash your hands first, you know. So now Chef Carol explained all the inner workings and complications of the camera. You know, I wasn't really pleased with the rate at which you're grating the stuff. See me? I can talk and grate. And so I put my shoulder into it, you know?
Just don't go and hurt
how-
your hand, you know.
That's how my mom used to grate now.
Really,
She
rough
don't
like
waste
that.
Time. Rough like that. Mommy just shut up. She don't
Oh,
waste time.
Lord.
So what you have to do next time, just make sure you get the angle right. It's a very special angle.
Really?
You know?
Special
and you put your
angle.
elbow, and you show that you can't be
Just don't-
echoing me.
just
Chef
don't-
Carol, we can't have that. Alright? Head chef is speaking, and when head chef is speaking, everybody else is to be silent.
Oh, okay.
Alright, chef. You soon finish grating the Tanya?
Thank you for my title, proper title. And
just-
I'm almost.
Come on, it's not
I have
about
to
you
do-
right now. It's about the food. It's always about the food.
Oh, now it's about the food.
Come, focus. So is this what Tanya looks like when you're grating it?
Yep. It's very. That's why it is the binding agent. You see how sticky it is? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So.
All right. That's enough. Just continue. Push through. Go. All right. We're back again. We're just adding the milk in.
Coconut milk, and into our mixture here we grated the ginger and the Tanya and the sweet potato, and I'm pouring in a tin of the coconut milk.
So
Now
after you put in this milk, combine with all of these ingredients: cinnamon,
no,
clove,
don't-
ginger. All. You
I don't
only
want
do
it-
this. You only do this for your man if you really love him.
Well, and I really love you, so
Of course you do.
That's why you're getting all of this good treatment here.
All right.
So, if you don't get scared, people, if you don't have all these ingredients, you use what you have. The main thing is to have the coconut milk with the sweet potato and the Tanya to bind everything. If you don't have Tanya, some people use yam, some people use pumpkins, but I know traditionally back home that's what we use. we use the Tanya instead. Okay, so
All right. So, Carol, while you're doing that, sorry, Chef Carol, while you're
get me
doing
the right title.
how are you enjoying your stay here in Antigua? Sorry, the great island of Antigua.
Well, you see, you trying to put words in my mouth already. You said the Great Antigua, okay?
All right.
Yes, it is very good. I'm enjoying my time. If it's not beach, it's some
Sun, sea,
sun, sea, and sand.
good looking man.
I already have you. Do
Doing
you
the
want
best
me
we
to-
can.
Do you want
Yes.
me to look for somebody else?
No, we're just talking. We're just talking.
Just talking? Okay, so I'm
Okay.
going to put in some brown sugar in here. Maybe close to a cup. Some brown sugar because you need that sweetness. All of those things help it caramelize and the edges will come out there looking amazing.
Nah, man. Chef Carol, what is that? Like 5 cups you already put in?
No, that's not cups because I'm actually using a spoon, so you don't have to
Come,
worry about
let's
the
mix.
cup.
Let's mix. Too much talking.
Oh my goodness, people. Yes, he's like this a lot.
Come, focus.
He is like this a whole lot here.
Come, okay. let's
So
do
I
this
have to
thing.
mix this up.
Ah.
Nice.
No, you're mixing properly. No, you're putting your elbow into it.
How do you know if I'm mixing properly? Huh?
Because
Have you
I'm the mixologist.
Oh my goodness. Listen, he's in his country now, people. So he has a lot to say. A lot to say.
I find your hand slowing down there. Come
More
on.
than usual. I'm almost
Come.
done, but I have to taste it. You have to give it a taste, guys. And make sure everything is going good.
How it is?
I think it's pretty good.
All
But I
right.
need a little bit more sugar. And I need to put some essence in there to add a little oomph.
Okay. Why we don't use aniseed essence? I like aniseed essence.
No, not for sweet potato pudding.
You see, you have to have imagination like head chef Neil. So how much sugar it is really?
Listen, we would give the people the recipe afterwards. I would say a cup to a cup, maybe almost 2 cups, depending on how much pudding you're making. Okay. Right now, this is only gonna fit into
My stomach.
this.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, your stomach after it's cooked, but it's gonna fit into this Pyrex dish here that's already prepared to go in the oven. And I'm actually gonna do it at 375, so hopefully it bakes faster.
Okay. All right, Chef Carol, what's up? What's next?
Okay, so I have everything mixed up, and I'm gonna pour it into this pan right now. And
This is coming to fruition. But, you know, them ingredients, man, like I tell you.
it's on my blog, spiceislecafe.com, and make sure and subscribe, people.
Okay. It's on our blog. All right?
If you say so.
No,
Well.
come. Make sure you pour the thing evenly.
Oh my goodness!
Right.
Yes, I'm gonna shake it and make sure everything
Head
nice.
chef Neil is about quality.
Not quantity.
Quality all the time.
All right, so I think
Spread it out. Yes.
yes,
Okay.
okay, and it's gonna go in the oven for maybe an hour or less because I'm gonna do it on 370.
And okay. So let's preheat the oven. You have to put it to 375.
Everybody
Yes. Okay. We're back. It's Spice Isle Cafe. And chef, is it ready?
I think it is.
All right.
So this is the beautiful sweet potato pudding. Some people say pone. And this is the golden
Wow.
beautiful color, and we just have to let it cool, and you can serve that with ice cream. You can eat it just like that. You can have whipped cream on it. Just make it fun, okay? And
Okay.
I think this is it until next time.
This one was a pretty fun one. You know, I'm glad we got to do one in Antigua. Big shout out to our hosts.
Yeah.
All right. The hopes. We would have them guest star, but a particular person was a little shy. We're not gonna call names, but this is on record now.
Oh my
Okay.
goodness. All right, love my people. Until next time.